Hello everybody, welcome back for today's puzzle. We're continuing on in the same book. There's a link down below where you can search for it on Amazon. I do get a small commission from any purchases that are made. Alright, it looks like today we're working on puzzle 59. Where shall we start? Let's look at this box here. It looks like we're missing a 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 1 there. So 9 and that 7 means this is our 1 and our 7. So if we look at this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 9. There's a 9 here. So 5, 9. So for this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 there. So 8, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 there. So 2 and 5. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 there. So 3 and 9. No help here. 3, 4, 9. A 3 there. So 4 and 9. Let's finish this column here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. So for this box, looks like we're missing a 1, a 6, and a 9. Got a 6 there, so 1, 9, a 1, 9 there. So this is our 6. And no help here, so 1, 9. Let's see. We work on this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, 5, 9. We've got a 1 and a 9 there. So 2, 5, 1 there. So 2, 5, 9, 5 there. So 1, 2, 9. If we do this row, we're missing 1, 6, 8, 9. We've got 1, 8, 9 here. So this is our 6. 1 there. So 8, 9, and no help here. So 1, 8, 9. If we work on this column, we're missing a 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 there. So 2, 4. 5 here and a 4 there. So this is our 2, makes this our 4 and our 5. So then we can get rid of this 5 here. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 and a 5. So this is our 4, 5 there. So 3 and 5. We work on this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and a 6 there, so this is our 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 6, and that 1 makes this our 9 and our 1. That 9 makes this our 2, so that's our 1. And we can get rid of this 1 here. We look at this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 2 there, so 7, 2. Finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8, and we don't have any help. 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got the 2. So 4 and 9, 2 can't be there or there, so it must be here. So this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing 7 and 9. We got a 7 there, so 9, 7. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 there, so 8, 5. We do this row now. 1, 2. We're still missing 3 and 4. So we get rid of this 9 here, and we've got a 4 there. So 3, 4, that makes this our 9 and our 3, and that 9 makes this our 4. So this box now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing 6 and 9. And we don't have any help. So we're back in that situation again where I don't see a way to solve it other than just taking a guess. So we're going to go 6, 9, makes this 8, 9, and this 6, 8. All right, it worked out. So thank you for joining me again today. Please like, subscribe, hit the reminder bell, share with anyone you think might enjoy this content, and we will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.